Hi guys, if your Windows 11 computer is not using all RAM like this and you want to fix this issue and make all RAM fully usable, then let's see how to do it. To make all RAM fully usable, first of all go to Windows search and type msconfig, and from the search result open system configuration, and on the system configuration dialog box go to boot tab and then click on advanced options, and now from the boot advanced option simply disable the maximum memory. So simply uncheck it and then click on OK and then click on apply and OK. And now simply click on the restart button to restart your computer and apply the changes. And once your system restarts, the issue Windows 11 not using all RAM will be fixed. Now let's see the next method. To optimize page file, first of all go to Windows search and type regedit, and from the search result open the registry editor, and on the registry editor address bar simply remove everything here and type this folder path. I have given this folder path in the description below. You can copy it from there. So simply copy it and then paste it in the address bar here and press enter. And now on the memory management folder, simply double click on this registry key, clear page file at shutdown. Simply double click on it and here set the value data from 0 to 1. Once you set the value data 1, simply click on OK and then close the registry editor. Now finally go to start menu, click on power option and simply restart your computer to apply the changes. And once your PC restart, go and check if your Windows 11 PC is using all RAM or not. For that, simply right click on the start button and then go to settings and then go to system and then scroll down and click on about. And now from the device specifications, you can see now your PC is using all the RAM. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily make all RAM fully usable on Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.